I hope this moss isn't poisonous. Wow. Gosh. So steep. Ooh, baby. It's getting crazy out here. I've been living on this mountain for 3 years. Only when Sean and Danny came out did they save me. And now I can groove my mustache in peace down at the bottom. Oh boy. Thank you, Danny. Thank you, Sean.
You're welcome.
Why, that's my last name. Gus McTowley. Woo! Whoa. Jeez. Gosh.
It's a mustache kind of day.
Freaking A, this is such craziness. Ugh. Oh, frick. Ugh. So thin. Little ridge. And the last traces of snow. Very nice.